Morning, everybody. It's 8:18 in the morning on Friday, this last day of the week, and Veterans Day. So, thank you for your service, any veterans who may be seeing this. Anyway, this is video number 1537. Okay, Asia and Europe both up. Over in Asia, we have Singles Day, 11/11, which is generally a big day, um, much like Prime Day and etc. But this has been around a long time. Anyway, what that has done is all of the Chinese stocks, Pinduoduo, Baba, the whole group is higher. Um, in fact, I'm thinking that I'm going to add at least half of my YANG, which is the downside China ETF. We had it at 16. We sold options against it three or four times for $2-3 at a time, and had the stock taken away versus our 24 calls that I believe we got about $2 for. In any event, it's back down to 1969, down about almost $3 today. So I'm thinking I'm going to add 100 of that 200 back in, and I'm going to write against it. Everything else up on COVID restrictions being loosened. And the markets have been, well, since I've been down here, they were up 120 in the Dow, then up 135. That's about where we are right now. NASDAQ is up about 75. It was up 62 a little while ago. And the S&P is also moving slightly higher by about 20, 18 to 20. And on the back of yesterday's gigantic rally, I'd expect to see a little bit of a pullback. The chart on the screen is the dollar. And as you can see, we were talking about lower highs here, and that was still in the 113 area, currently trading 106.77. That's the low, and down $1.32 or 1.2%. That's a huge move. This move this week is tremendous. Let's just take a quick look at that weekly. As you can see, it is getting back towards that 105 area. I would expect to see a bit of support there. We'll see. In any event, the only economic data that comes out at 10 o'clock this morning, University of Michigan consumer sentiment. So that's somewhat forward looking versus yesterday's CPI, which is backward looking. Okay, oil up $2.50. Nat gas about unchanged, up 3 cents, so not really much of anything, but big moves in the heating oil and gasoline. Heating oil is up over 7 cents, and if you recall, this one hasn't really moved down the way that the oil has from the peaks or the nat gas has. I mean, the peak here is 467. We're still 364. That's down a third, but you look at gasoline and it has been a bit weaker than that. Gold up 10, silver down 5. Copper, my favorite trade right now, clearly breaking out this week and coming out of a nice little base. This is the weekly. You can see what a nice move we've had here. And basically, we were sitting on that 78.6% fib retracement. So that has worked out really well. The bond market is closed today for Veterans Day, although the futures are not, and they are down about a point after yesterday's 4.5 point rally. We have Bitcoin sinking again, same with Ethereum, and there's all kinds of fallout here from the FTX deal. And I'm going to guess it's going to take a little while longer. The CEO there in the Bahamas, all his money and assets have been frozen there by the Bahamian government. So we'll see how this works out. All right, everyone. Hope everyone has a good weekend. Hope you made a ton of money yesterday. And we'll get to work on that FANG order.